WMAR-2 News, Maryland's most accurate forecast.
And that sunscreen will be an important thing to have for you tomorrow as we see temperatures yet again warming up. Today, above average. This pattern continues even though we have a cold front on the move. Temps normally around 78 degrees, today reaching 88. If you liked it that toasty, you're in store for another fairly warm day. The radar right now showing us, though, out ahead of this cold front, dealing with maybe some light showers trying to edge in out over toward Westminster, but most of the action will take place while we sleep. Nothing is anticipated to turn severe, and while you wake up in the morning, the rain will be gone, and you're really just going to talk about the temperatures. In the last 24 hours, look at this, Baltimore. 5 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday. But back behind the front, you can see Cleveland 14 degrees cooler. Columbus 15 degrees cooler. It will take a whopping 2 days for that chillier air mass really to work its way to our region. So whereas Pittsburgh's on into the low 60s, same as Charleston in the mid 60s, we continue to see our temperatures in the upper 70s, 78 degrees out over toward Baltimore for us. And you can see right around the area in Bel Air, 75 degrees, Annapolis 76, Elkton 74. So temperatures here still fairly warm. We're very muggy tonight until that cold front moves through. It will squash out the humidity, but it's going to take longer for the temperatures to start to drop. Yet again, that cold front now working its way through portions of Pennsylvania, and it looks like it's knocking right on the door of parts of Maryland. So anticipate that over the evening hours with a 30% chance of rain. Then we notice the humidity dropping, and it feels oh so comfortable for that nice walk to the candy store, maybe out over toward Northeast. Temperatures will in fact be into the 80s. As the humidity begins to fall, we'll end up seeing the mix of sun and clouds. If you like it cooler, Sunday is the final day that we see the chillier air mass arrive, thanks to that area of high pressure clockwise flow. So it's pulling in our winds out of the northwest. Temperatures are going to fall 10 degrees. That takes us on into the lower 70s. It will also be fairly breezy, though, so that will make it feel even cooler to the skin. Those winds should be going up to around 15 miles per hour. Temperature swing, here we go, starting you off tomorrow morning, 68 degrees out toward the Inner Harbor, continuing to notice into Annapolis, the mid 60s. Then watch what happens by the time we get into the afternoon. The upper 70s, we reach the lower 80s by the time we get into the later afternoon. And then what a difference it is by the time we get on into Sunday when temperatures begin to fall. Let's look at your 7-day forecast. Jamie, over to you.
Hey, thanks.